Hello everyone, Audi took the wraps off the 2024 Q7 and SQ7 in the UK, marking the second consecutive facelift of its largest SUV. Changes are mostly cosmetic, focused on the optional customizable high-tech lighting units, which are joined by a new grille and redesigned bumpers. The model also benefits from infotainment and safety upgrades, while the powertrain lineup is carried over from its predecessor. The second generation of the Audi Q7 was introduced back in 2015, with the first facelift following in 2020. Normally, 2024 would be a nice time for a new generation, but Audi decided to extend the life cycle of the existing model, hoping that a new series of styling and technological updates will keep it relevant for a few more years. By using a darker tint for the headlights and splitting the LED graphics into two sections, Audi designers brought the Q7 on par with the rest of the SUV lineup in terms of styling language. All trims come standard with matrix LED units, but the flagship Vorsprung has an even fancier setup. The HD matrix LED headlights include the Audi laser light technology that offers a significantly increased high beam range. Furthermore, the higher position daytime running lights at the front and the revised OLED taillight graphics can be customized, with the driver choosing among 4 lighting signatures. Setting aside the new lights, the 2024 Audi Q7 has a revised grille and sportier bumper intakes, following the example of the recently facelifted Q8. There are also 5 new designs for the alloy wheels measuring up to 22 inches in diameter, 3 new exterior shades, Hoscari Blue, Saphir Gold, and Chai Red, and a new trim structure comprising the S-Line, Black Edition, Lunch Edition, and Vorsprung. Inside, the dashboard layout remains unchanged, but the touchscreen houses the latest version of Audi's infotainment, which is compatible with third-party applications like Spotify or Amazon Music. The standard Audi virtual cockpit can now display other road users and benefits from ADAS-related features like the lane change warning, distance warning, intersection assist, and traffic light info. The powertrain includes carryover diesel, TDI, and gasoline (TFSI) units. In the SQ7 Performance Flagship, the 4-liter V8 produces 500 horsepower, 373 kilowatts, and 770 newton-meters of torque, allowing the 0 to 100 kilowatts per hour sprint to be completed in 4.1 seconds. All trims of the Audi Q7 come standard with adaptive air suspension, while high-spec models get a sportier chassis setup and 4-wheel steering. The 2024 Audi Q7 is already available to order in the UK market. Pricing starts from £66,605, $84,475 for the cheapest Q7 45 TDI S-Line, climbing all the way to £111,370, $141,234 for the full-spec SQ7 Vorsprung. The rollout of the facelifted model will continue with European markets soon. As for the US spec Q7, it is expected to benefit from similar updates, likely for the 2025 model year. Friends, I would like to hear your opinion about new Audi Q7 Facelift 2024, and I'll be waiting for it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel not to miss the latest news from the world of automobile. See you soon. Goodbye, everyone.